What if the absolute worst place to buy your first rental property is exactly where you are sitting right now? If you live in an incredibly expensive market where housing prices are sky high, it is almost mathematically impossible to find a property that actually generates positive monthly cash flow. The secret to rapidly building a profitable real estate portfolio is learning how to invest completely out of state in emerging and affordable markets. While buying a house 1,000 miles away might sound terrifying, you can easily do it safely by building a highly specialized team of local professionals on the ground. You must find a rockstar local real estate agent, a meticulous property manager, an honest contractor, and a reliable lender who all intimately know that specific city. Once your team is in place, you simply analyze the deals from your laptop and let the local experts handle the physical asset, while you collect the passive rent checks. This strategy completely detaches your investment goals from your local geography and opens up the entire country so you can find the absolute best possible returns for your money. Let's break down exactly how to interview and hire your out-of-state dream team over,
The phone.
so you can confidently start buying properties in a new market.